There's something that I want to advise you on, that you keep saying. Ubuncane benu, mina nibancane, mina nibancane. Ubuncane benu bunenzelani? Lokhu nisikhumbuza zibona. Siyaxolisa sonke. Ungaxolisi siyanifundisa siyabona. Ageism is a thing. And nina lento yokusifilisa ngathi ngoba sizalwa ngama 2000, then we are ancestors. It's called ageism. It's a sensitive topic in the entertainment industry. Because like I was saying, acting is a calling. It's not about celebrity, it's not about ubungane, it's not about anything. You are here to do a job. Uzofika umncane la ungenzi lutho. Ukhaswe ukuthi okay ozoba mncane kungenzi lutho. Umncane bakhe abuhlangane netalent lakho. Stand for your talent, don't stand for your age. Then you will be casted for a certain age group, that's fine. But ungalibeli nisikhumbuza ukuthi nibancane. Niyasibhora. Umlalele khuluma nontanga bakhe, bakwenzelani? Ontanga bakho. You understand? Yes, I do. I was also once young. Just the other day, I was a teenager too. And you guys don't seem to remember that. But your mother was also a teenager. Your mother was also a young girl with dreams. Your mother was also, she didn't know she was going to have you. She's just a girl here for the first time. And you guys seem to think we've come back to earth several times. And you're the only ones that are here for the first time. We are also experiencing the experiences. I'm in my 40s. I've only been 40-something for the first time. And hearing someone in local Kubuzuti Mane.